Hello and welcome to the LaLa Projects video on how to install our premium WordPress theme. We'll be going through the theme installation process, which is documented here on our theme4.lalaprojects.com documentation website for the theme. On the theme installation page, you can get to it by going to FAQ, theme installation, and all the written instructions are here. I have a fresh install of WordPress here, and it is sporting the default WordPress theme for 2021. To start, we're going to go into the dashboard, and the LaLa theme 4 is dependent on Advanced Custom Fields Pro. You really have to go over to advancedcustomfields.com to purchase your Pro license. Once you have that in hand, you can head on over to the plugin menu item, click Add New, upload your plugin. It'll open this installation panel here. Choose the file. All plugins and themes come as zip files, so leave them zipped and install them. Once installed, you'll just have to activate the plugin. After activated, you'll notice there's a new menu item, Custom Fields. Go over to the Updates tab and activate your license. So you just drop in your license key and click Activate. Now that that's in place, we can go add our theme. So go up to the Appearance menu, click on Themes, and then again go up here for Add New and Upload Theme. We'll open the Upload panel. Choose File, get your theme zip, click Install Now. The installation of themes can take a minute to run through all the files. There's a lot of files inside of themes, and it just takes a second. Just wait patiently as it goes through everything, and then a new screen will appear in which we can activate the theme. Click Activate. So it'll bring you back to the themes page. Themes, you can activate them and deactivate them by activating another theme. But this one's already set for you. So you're all set there. Next step would be to add the license key for the theme. So you go to the LaLa Products menu, and this one's already activated. Let me deactivate it just so you can see what it'll look like. Drop in your license key, click Activate, and then follow these little instructions here and click Update. And your theme is installed. Congratulations, you're ready to take on your next steps.